Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're diving into the 5 best free camera apps for iPhone to help you capture stunning photos and videos. Now, let's get started. At number 5 on our list is Blackmagic Camera. This app has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 11,000 reviews and is designed to turn your iPhone into a professional digital film camera. Its purpose is to give you the same intuitive controls used by Hollywood filmmakers, allowing you to create a truly cinematic look for your content. Here are 3 of its standout features. First, it gives you a digital film camera interface with a heads-up display that provides real-time status updates and record parameters. Next, you can manually adjust professional settings like frame rate, shutter angle, white balance, and ISO with a single tap. Finally, it records directly to Blackmagic Cloud in industry-standard Apple ProRes files, making it incredibly easy to collaborate with editors on DaVinci Resolve projects anywhere in the world. When you first open the app, you're in the camera view where all the professional controls are immediately visible on screen. Tapping the Media tab takes you to your clips where you can browse, review, and manage your recordings. You can also use the Chat tab to communicate with collaborators on your project. And finally, the Settings menu provides access to advanced options for monitoring, audio, and more, allowing you to fine-tune your recording setup. At number 4 on our list is Focus. With a 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 51,000 reviews, Focus is a free app that brings the power of computational photography to your iPhone. Its main purpose is to give you professional-looking depth of field and bokeh effects that are typically only possible with expensive DSLR cameras. Here are 3 of its standout features. First, it simulates a large aperture and creates a real bokeh effect, providing beautiful blurry backgrounds. Second, it is an essential tool for all iPhones and iPads, regardless of whether they have a dual lens camera. Finally, it allows you to refocus a photo after it has been taken, letting you change the depth and focal point with a simple tap. The Focus app has a clean, organized interface. When you first open it, you'll see your photo library separated into 2 main tabs: All Photos, which displays every photo on your device, and Portrait Photos, which automatically filters to show only the ones with depth data. The 3 horizontal lines icon in the top corner opens a menu that gives you access to tutorials and the app's professional features. You can also tap the Settings icon to customize how the app works, including saving options and in-app purchases. At number 3 on our list is Snapseed. Developed by Google, this app has a 3.4 out of 5-star rating from over 10,000 reviews and stands out as a completely free, ad-free photo editor with professional-grade tools. Its main purpose is to give you a full suite of editing options without any cost or in-app purchases. Here are 3 of its standout features. First, it provides over 25 professional tools and filters, giving you all the options you need to craft a unique look for your photos. Second, you can apply beautiful vintage film effects and a variety of other creative filters to transform the mood of your images. Finally, it lets you quickly save your favorite tool combinations and apply them to new photos, making your editing workflow faster and more efficient. When you first open Snapseed, you're greeted with a simple, clean interface. Tapping the plus button lets you import a photo from your device to begin editing. The Looks tab gives you a selection of pre-made filter styles to choose from, offering a quick way to change the overall feel of your image. For more control, the Tools tab is where you'll find all the app's advanced features, from healing and perspective to curves and HDR-scape. The Faves tab is a personalized space where you can store your most used tools for easy access. And once you're done, the Export option provides multiple ways to save your edited photo to your device or share it directly. At number 2 on our list is VSCO. With a strong 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 268,000 reviews, VSCO is a community-driven platform that goes beyond simple editing to help photographers express their creativity. Here are 3 of its standout features. First, It offers powerful AI-powered edits with over 200 presets available to members for a wide range of styles. Next, it gives you fine-tuned professional control over your photos and videos with tools like HSL, Dodge, and Burn and Grain. Finally, it allows you to create the authentic look and feel of classic film with filters inspired by brands like Kodak and Fuji. The user interface is designed to be minimalist and intuitive. When you open the app, you'll first land in your studio, which is your private workspace where you can import and edit your photos. The feed tab is where you'll find content from creators you follow, giving you a constant stream of inspiration. Tapping Discover takes you to a curated section where you can find new work, tutorials, and community challenges. The Spaces tab allows you to create collaborative galleries for sharing ideas and getting feedback. And finally, the Profile is where you can showcase your finished work, creating a public gallery for others to see. At number 1 on our list is Adobe Lightroom Mobile. This app has an impressive 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 322,000 reviews, making it a powerful and trusted choice for a free photo and video editor. Its purpose is to help you easily bring your photos to life with professional quality editing tools right from your phone. Here are its standout features. First, it allows you to easily edit photos and get pro quality results with powerful yet simple tools. Next, you can instantly enhance specific parts of a photo using intelligent AI-powered quick actions. Finally, the app can quickly blur backgrounds to create a beautiful shallow depth of field effect. After installing the app, the interface is clean and intuitive. The first screen you see is your device folder showing all the photos on your phone that you can import for editing. Tapping on the Edits tab brings you to your personal library where all the photos you've been working on are stored. You can also explore the Community tab, which is a fantastic source of inspiration, letting you browse and learn from photos and presets shared by other creators. And for more options, tapping the 3 dots icon in the corner reveals a menu with settings and additional tools for managing your photos. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.